Now, if I told you that your unmanaged stress may be the reason your hair is coming out, would you believe me? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House product line and the Curl House Academy, Let's Get Growing program. And today we are going to talk about stress management and hair. Now, I have talked about this before, but I thought it was very important that I talk about it now because it is the holiday season. And while I absolutely love the holiday season, it is my favorite time of the year. It is also a time when people get really, really stressed out. Some people deal with anxiety or even depression. And unfortunately, unmanaged stress can actually lead to hair loss. Yes, it can. When you're not managing your stress, you can actually get a condition called telogen effluvium, which is essentially a disruption in your hair growth cycle, and that leads to excessive shedding. Now, I don't want that to happen to you during the holiday season, so I'll be giving you 5 ways that you can manage your stress, and these stress management techniques are backed by science, which means they actually work. So y'all know at Curl House, we're growing differently, and managing our stress is one of the ways that we are growing our hair differently, taking this holistic approach to healthy hair and healthy hair care. So let me give you the first stress management technique. That is drinking tea, but not only tea, lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea actually promotes feelings of calmness. So it is said that it reduces anxiety and helps you to relax. So it gives off a sedative effect. And there are studies that actually show that concentrated forms of lemon balm actually help to reduce stress. So during this holiday season and beyond, if you are going to drink something anyway, go ahead and drink some lemon balm tea. It hydrates your body, helps you to relieve your stress, and when your stress is reduced, that helps to promote healthy hairs. And the second thing that you can do to manage your stress, and this is backed by science, is journaling. Yes, you can journal. Journaling is an intentional and consistent act of just writing your thoughts on paper. That is all it is. You can write your thoughts on paper. You can put your feelings on paper. You can put your experiences on paper. Put it on paper, you all. I journal every day, every morning. I journal. You can use the fancy ones like this, or like this if you want to be fancy, or sometimes you may not even want to be fancy. You could just keep it simple and just get a good old-fashioned notebook. This works too, but you can put those thoughts on paper. When you write things down on paper, it helps you to reflect upon the things that may be troubling you. It helps you to express yourself. Sometimes you may not feel comfortable expressing yourself to someone else or to even to a therapist, but you can still get therapy from journaling because journaling is a therapeutic practice and it helps you to manage your stress. There are even studies that show journaling actually helps to reduce stress and to manage anxiety. So I encourage you, get in the habit of putting your thoughts and your feelings on paper, you all. Like I said, I do it every day, and I've been doing it every day for years, and it certainly helps me to manage my stress, and I know it will help you too. So don't forget, get in the habit of journaling during this season. All right, so while you're drinking your lemon balm tea and you're journaling your thoughts, the next thing you can do is to meditate. So yes, this too is backed by science. Meditation. Now, there are different types of meditation. There is a silent meditation where you pretty much sit in silence and you reflect upon your thoughts and you calm yourself. That is something that I do every day as well. And then there's a guided meditation. Guided meditations is pretty much listening to positive messages and sometimes repeating positive affirmations. Here's an example of positive affirmations by one of my colleagues from Confirmation.
I calmly affirm, I release stress and tension from my mind and body. I am calm and relaxed in any situation. I have a balanced and harmonious life. I take great care of myself and respect my limits.
Now, don't you feel calm and centered and peaceful after listening to that? That's what meditation does. It helps you to regulate your emotions. It helps you to concentrate. And most importantly, it helps you to reduce stress. And when your stress is reduced and when it is managed, it will certainly affect the health of your hair. And of course, more importantly, it's going to affect the health of your body. So get in a habit of meditating, either silently or a guided meditation. They both are very effective. All right, now after you finish meditating, now I'm gonna need you to get up and move. And that is number 4, incorporate physical activity. So I'm sure you might already know this. You already know that you probably need to exercise to manage your stress. But I got a question. Do you do it? Do you exercise to manage your stress? Or do you exercise in general for your health? Because exercise is one of the best stress management techniques, you all. Exercise, physical activity. You can dance, you can do yoga, you can go to the gym, you can walk, you can lift weights, you can get it in. It is many ways you can get it in. You can do chair aerobics. If you have mobility challenges, you can go to the pool and exercise. You can get it in. Exercising releases endorphins, which are the happy hormones, and they counteract those stress hormones. So get in some exercising, you all, to help you manage your stress, because when your body is calm, when your body is relaxed, it also helps you to sleep better, or exercising rather helps you to sleep better. So even that one is a stress reliever, getting adequate sleep. So I want you all to start moving. That's actually how you grow differently as well. Exercising, because exercising improves blood circulation, and proper blood circulation to the scalp helps improve healthy hair and healthy hair growth. So I'm gonna need you all to get your exercise in. And the last stress management technique, backed by science, is to do a scalp massage. So yes, massage your scalp. So I talk about scalp massaging quite a bit for its benefits for growing hair. And yes, it definitely helps to promote hair growth, but it also helps to reduce your stress. Scalp massaging also releases those endorphins, those feel-good hormones, to help you reduce and manage your stress. You can do a scalp massage using your fingers. You can use a scalp brush. You can use an electronic scalp massager, but get it in. It will absolutely help to relax you. And guess what? It will keep your hair growing. So make sure you incorporate scalp massaging as a stress management technique. Okay, guys, I hope that you learned at least one thing that's backed by science that you can do to help you to manage your stress. And if you like, why don't you put some comments in the comment section? Tell me some of the things that you do to manage your stress. Our Curl House community would love to know some of your stress management techniques. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.